With over 16 years of dedicated experience in turnkey cleanroom installation, Suzhou Pharma Machinery has successfully completed 500-plus projects worldwide, serving industries like pharmaceuticals, food, electronics, and vaccines. We strictly follow GMP and ISO standards, with a professional team handling every step from design to on-site assembly. Our prefabricated modules enable quick installation, and 24/7 online support ensures seamless execution, making us a trusted partner for global clients.